Hello everybody, it's me Avista Anwar, and in today's lesson we are going to learn about the human nervous system. So let's start. What is a nervous system and what does it do? The complex system of the body that connects different parts together and controls and regulates the organs is called the nervous system. I also have the definition in Urdu. Parts of a nervous system. Central nervous system, CNS. This includes the brain and the spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, PNS. This consists of nerves which originate from brain and spinal cord. नर्वस निज़ाम के अज्जा दर्ज झैल हैं. मरकज़ी असबी निज़ाम, पेरिफेरल असबी निज़ाम. This is the nervous system. The brain and the spinal cord are parts of the central nervous system, and the nerves are the part of the peripheral nervous system. Thank you for watching, everybody. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Bye. See you in the next video.